It's steam clean day. I've got 90% of this living room ready to go. And, but I'm also cooking. One of the puppies has went to its new home. And, the other one, I hope Sunday I got my cornbread done for my dressing. I get my vegetables cut up. I got my chicken going for my dressing and dumpling. 2 pots of it. And cut it down a little bit because I'm vacuuming and all this stuff. But working at it. And I know y'all don't want to watch me steam clean. But I'm going to try to set this up here for a little bit just to see. Yep, it's kind of blurry or smoky.